In this video, I am going to familiarize you with schMOOze. We all know that new technologies have brought about dynamic changes in the realm of education. The world has become a global classroom, and students can become autonomous, lifelong learners if they have the tools of accessing information and the skill of learning how to learn. New research also underlines the importance of building knowledge in the social context, and hence the virtual reality environments gain prominence as they make students active and interactive. They also build higher order learning skills like critical thinking, analyzing, decision making, etc., that students can later relate to the real world. Now, what do you understand by virtual reality environments? You can stop the video using a pause button and answer the question in your journal. Now, stop your video. Virtual reality environments are artificial environments created with the help of technology and software. They are like real environments but are not real. Users can log into these environments and interact with the objects just by sitting at home. schMOOze is one of the virtual reality environment supporting language learning. schMOOze is an acronym for Mud Object Oriented, and MUD itself is an acronym. It stands for Multi-User Domain. It is a place where people from around the world can log in and communicate at the same time. Dr. Julie Falsetti of Hunter College, New York, has created schMOOze, which is an educational schMOOze with a well chalked out university campus, complete with classrooms, conference rooms, a library, a cafeteria, dormitories, culture center, student union, etc. It is a place where learners of English as a foreign or a second language can interact with strangers and have written communication with them in real time. It takes time to get familiar with this environment, and to operate within requires the mastery of basic commands. Now, what is this environment? What is schMOOze? schMOOze is a textual conception in cyberspace. It has a virtual permanency as the structures are well planned out and can be represented on a map as shown below. Like in this map, you can see an entrance, an arch, South Mall, Central Mall, North Mall leading to the library. On the left hand side, you see the culture center. On the right hand side, there is a garden. Just below the garden are the classrooms, and near the classroom there are dormitories. Below the dormitories is the conference center. On the left hand side we have the administration building, and just below the culture center is the student union. Now this whole setup can be imagined by reading the textual descriptions provided at the various locations and by looking at the map to get an overview. After reading the textual description, this has to be visualized in your mind. Now, as this is a virtual reality environment, you have to get connected to schMOOze. You can log in by putting the site address in the web browser, take care that your computer is Java enabled. You will be directed to the schMOOze site whose section is shown below. This is one of the section that I have got from the site. And under things to do, the first one is visit schMOOze. Click here. As soon as you click on visit schMOOze, it will display the following screen. Now, in order to explore the MOOC for the first time, you can type connect guest in the text box at the bottom as shown in this figure. Once you get connected, you can explore the MOOC and interact with other participants but cannot perform all operations. To be able to do that, one has to acquire the status of a player. The process is described in another video. Now, as this is a learning by doing program, now put the web address in your web browser, get connected to schMOOze, explore schMOOze, and interact with at least one person. Write about his lifestyle in your journal.